Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So we've just taken this in part exchange. Honda Jazz 1.4 petrol, it's an I-VTEC EX T model. 1.4 petrol manual. 80,000 miles, 3 owners, 9 services. Okay, great spec little car. Serviced at 12, 21, 27, 38, 40, 47, 52, 69 and 80,000 miles. Okay, as you can see, it's got alloy wheels and it's got mud flaps. It's got a glass panoramic sunroof with a sunshade that you can close. It's got front fog lamps down there in the bumper. It's got satellite navigation and Bluetooth and digital electronic climate control with air conditioning. As you can see, there's privacy glass around the back of the car, which is factory fit on the EXT model. 5-door hatchback petrol, 80,000 miles, very nice condition, and the price is £4,995. Very clean little car inside and out. Had it off a lady called Gemma. Got the Jazz mats. Nice and clean inside. Huge glass panoramic sunroof. Lovely leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. We press the button here. It's got satellite navigation, climate control, connections down there for your USB and auxiliary. Bluetooth for your phone. £4,995. Just been serviced. Great service history. No dents or scratches. Really clean. Nice big boot on these. Load covers in there. Very nice. Economical. Great car to drive. Plenty of room. Honda, so will last as long as it gets an oil change. Mechanically very sound these are. Electric windows, ×4 electric mirrors. Driver's seat cloth in nice condition. ABS, electric mirrors, folding mirrors. As I say, multifunction steering wheel, 80,000 miles, satellite navigation, electronic climate control, 5-speed manual. Got an armrest on the driver's seat. £4,995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. And this video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over to YouTube, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we have a fresh car in. You'd be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that vehicle in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.